Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you didn't subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button. Today is General Agriculture Mark Test Part 5. Okay, today is somewhat different, so you must watch the video fully and you have to answer those questions. Take pen and paper and write down. First subject, agronomy. First question, the most critical stage of irrigation in wheat. That is, which stage is the most critical stage of irrigation in wheat? Okay. Second question, which plant hormone is used as a herbicide? Which plant hormone is used as a herbicide? Third question, what is the basic objective of sustainable agriculture? What is the basic objective of sustainable agriculture? Coming to the fourth question, in India, which is the non-traditional area of cultivating wheat? Which is the non-traditional area of cultivating wheat? In world, which country has highest irrigation efficiency? Okay, which country has highest irrigation efficiency? I'll give few seconds time. Go through the questions and answer these 5 questions. Okay. I'm starting from basics and day by day the standard of the questions will be increased. So learn from basics and then we can go deep. Answer down these 5 questions. Read the questions carefully. I think you all answer those questions. If you didn't subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button. If any queries, command in comment section. Coming to the answer. First question, the most critical stage of irrigation in wheat is ground root initiation stage. Okay. Second question, hormone used as a herbicide. That is, which plant hormone used as a herbicide is 2,4-D. What is the basic objective of sustainable agriculture is to maintain ecological balance. Okay, to maintain ecological balance. Next, the non-traditional area of cultivating wheat is eastern part of India. Okay, eastern part of India. Next, fifth question, which country has highest irrigation efficiency? Means Israel. Israel is a country has highest irrigation efficiency. Okay, these are the answers for 5 questions. Note it down. Next, coming to soil science. These are very basic questions. Okay, we must know the answers for these 5 questions. First question, which is a dynamic natural body having 3-dimensional structures. Okay. Second question, to study the origin, classification and description of soil is known as, which is known as the study of origin, classification and description of soil. Okay. Third question, the vertical section of soil is known as what? Vertical section of soil is known as what? Fourth question, the word soil is derived from Latin or Greek word. Next, who is the father of soil science as well as pedology? Okay, write down the answers soon. Go through these 5 questions. These are basic questions. Write down the answers soon. I think you all wrote the answers. These are very basic questions. You must know the answers very well. Coming to the answers, the dynamic natural body having 3-dimensional structure is soil. Okay. The study of origin, classification and description of soil is known as pedology. Okay. The vertical section of soil is known as soil profile. The word soil is derived from Latin word. Okay. That is solum means flow. Solum, which means flow. Who is the father of soil science as well as pedology is V.V. Dakichu. Okay, Dakichu is the father of soil science as well as he is also father of pedology. Okay, it's very important and basic questions. Note down the answers. These are the 5 questions in soil science. Next, horticulture. First question, generally fruits are dash in nature. Second question, the fruit type of pineapple is known as, What is the fruit type of pineapple? Third question, the chemical preservatives used for colorless fruits is, okay, what is the chemical preservative used for colorless fruits? Fourth question, the most salt tolerant fruit crop is, most salt tolerant fruit crop, which is the most salt tolerant fruit crop? Fifth question, origin of date palm, which place is the origin of date palm? These are the 5 questions in horticulture. Note down the answers soon. Very easy and basic questions. If you didn't subscribe my channel, click the subscribe button. Coming to the answers. Generally, fruits are acidic in nature. Okay. Second question, the fruit type of pineapple is psoriasis. Okay, psoriasis. Next, third question, the chemical preservatives used for colorless fruit is KMS, that is potassium metabisulfite. Okay. Next, fourth question, the most salt tolerant fruit crop is date palm. Okay. Origin of date palm is Iraq. Okay. Origin of date palm is Iraq. Okay. These are the answers for 5 questions. Okay. Next, coming to the trade names of common herbicides. Atrazin, Atratex, Alachlor, Lazo, Butachlor, Mectate, Isoprotron, Ronac, Fluclorin, Baslin, Nitrofen, Toc E25, Paraquat, Gramoxone, Pendimethalin, Storm, Propanol, Stamp, F34, 2,4-D, Plant God and Weedone. Okay. These are some common trade names. You have to study the trade names for herbicide also. In many examinations, they will ask these questions. So, you have to be clear in this. Okay. Study well. All the best. Telegram channel link is in description box. I'll send these pictures and I'll compile the notes and send soon. Okay. It is in Telegram channel link is in description box. Check it down. All the best. If you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe it. Okay. And share the video to their friends. And thank you. All the best.